You're not bad with money, you've just been taught wrong. Here are 9 habits keeping you broke and how to flip them. Number 1, paying yourself last. You pay rent, bills, fund, then save what's left. Flip it. Save 10% the moment you get paid, like it's a bill. 2, using debt for everything. Buying clothes, gifts, groceries with credit. If you can't pay in cash, you can't afford it. 3, not knowing your numbers. You can't grow what you don't track. Know your income, know your spending, every dollar. Number 4, lifestyle inflation. More income is not equal to more spending. Keep expenses stable, grow your savings and investments. 5, expensive hobbies. If your fun costs more than your growth, it's a trap. Balance fun with building your future. 6, only saving. Saving has a cap, making more money doesn't. 7, delaying investing. Inflation eats savings. Start small, start now, even if it's just $10 a week. If any of these hit you, you're not alone. I fixed them myself, and you can too. Subscribe for more fast finance truths.